Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate networking with Meetup, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on meetup.com. Visit the home page and click on the sign up button. Fill in your information, or use your Google or Facebook account for quicker access. Once logged in, explore the available groups and events in your area. Use the search function to find groups that align with your interests or professional goals. Join relevant groups to gain access to their events and networking opportunities. Next, set your profile to be public to increase visibility among members. Craft a compelling bio that highlights your skills and interests. Engage with group discussions by commenting on posts or sharing your insights. Look for upcoming events that match your networking goals. RSVP to events that fit your schedule and interests. Plan to attend events consistently for effective networking. Familiarize yourself with the event details, including location and agenda. Prepare a brief introduction about yourself to share with others at the event. During the event, be proactive in meeting new people. Exchange contact information with individuals you connect with. Follow up after events with a message or connection on LinkedIn. Utilize Meetup's messaging feature to stay in touch with new contacts. Regularly check for new events and opportunities within your groups. Consider hosting your own Meetup event to expand your network. Promote your event through social media to increase attendance. Use the insights gained from attending various events to refine your networking strategy. Keep track of the connections you make and the follow-ups you plan. Stay engaged with your groups by attending regularly and contributing to discussions. Evaluate your networking progress periodically to ensure you're meeting your goals. Adapt your strategies as necessary to maximize your networking effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.